Only one time every year, a very, very special and unique event occurs for photographers, and it's called the 5-day deal. Now, I have purchased the 5-day deal as a customer in years past, and I've been blown away for the amount of photography training that I've received for a very, very cheap price, like under $100 for thousands of minutes of training. And this year is going to be the best 5-day deal ever. I'm actually contributing 2 of my photography courses to the 5-day deal, and there are other very well-known photographers who are contributing, such as my friend Serge Ramelli, Joel Grimes, Gavin Hardcastle, Nick Page, as well as many, many others. Really, it's the best photography package for your dollar in the world. So there is going to be a $10,000 prize giveaway that begins on Saturday, September the 28th. So if you click the link below, you can enter your name and you can be part of that giveaway. And the actual package for the 5-day deal is going to be open to you on October the 3rd. And on October the 3rd, that's when you're going to be able to see the amazing volume of high quality content that will be for sale as part of this year's 5-day deal. This is something I really recommend that you don't miss, because you will never have an opportunity to get this much high quality training for a price that is this low. Now, there are some really important charity partners that I want to discuss. Over $1 million has gone to these charity partners in the past, and they include Orbis, that transforms lives through the treatment and prevention of avoidable blindness, as well as the Make-A-Wish Foundation, and they provide life-changing wishes for children with critical illnesses, and really, who couldn't get behind that? Also, there is Mercy Ships, and they manage hospital ships that provide free life-saving surgeries for people where medical care is non-existent. And finally, there's the 5-Day Deal Foundation. If this is something you would like to get behind, I would certainly recommend that you do. I have personally got behind it by contributing 2 of my courses to this year's 5-day deal. What you want to do is click the link below, enter your email address, and that way your name will go into the prize draw for the $10,000 worth of photography related items. And then on October the 3rd, that's when you're going to be able to see this incredible amount of content that's going on sale this year as part of the overall bundle. It's going to be the best bundle that 5-day deal has ever put on the market, and they've been going since 2014. So check this out, you're going to like it, and click the link below. All right, see you in my next video.